Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to fold a traditional box with divider. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more with each other using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. Today's video is separated into 3 sections: the box, the divider, and the cover. I'll have a timestamp available in the descriptions below if you want to jump to the sections directly. I would also like to mention that the box and the cover are practically the same. There's only one minor detail that adjusts the size of the cover so it's shorter and wider. If you're short on time, you could probably just skip that section. By the way, I've been reviewing my videos lately, and I realized that the level of difficulty of my videos might be a little bit difficult for beginners. If possible, can you leave a comment if I need to adjust the difficulty of my videos? I'll select the pieces accordingly. If possible, and if you've watched my other videos, can you please leave a comment on how I may improve my videos? I want to see how I can improve them so I can deliver top quality to you guys. Now, without further delay, please enjoy the rest of the clip. This traditional box and divider combo is really practical, so I would recommend you to learn how to fold it. Meet you at the end of the video. Now, here is where the cover is different from the box. You have to leave a small gap so that the cover is bigger but shorter than the box. By the way, the instructions for a more narrow version of the origami box is pretty much the same as the traditional box. We use this step to change the height of the box to whatever height you want. The higher it is, the more narrow the box is. And our traditional box and divider is complete. It's one of the more practical pieces. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Click the playlist on the left for my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. Click the playlist on the right for my list of awesome origamis to learn and share.